그녀는 오늘 화나요. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is 화나요. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about HWANADA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 383. HWANADA. HWANADA. This pronounces a three-syllable word. The first syllable is hwa, second syllable is na, and third syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. HWANADA. HWANADA. The word HWANADA means to be angry or furious. Again, HWANADA means to be angry or furious. How do we write HWANADA in Hangul? It is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable hwa, we need to draw first a hu character followed by an o character followed by an a character. For the second syllable na, we need to draw first a neon character followed by an a character. And then for the last syllable da, we need to draw first a dikut character followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of their three syllables to write HWANADA in Hangul. Now, let's look at this example sentence. It says, she is furious today. Again, she is furious today. The Korean translation for this is 그녀는 오늘 화나요. Again, 그녀는 오늘 화나요. The Korean translation could be subdivided into three. The first part is 그녀는, and it means she. So 그녀 means she, and 는 is added to indicate that this is the subject of the sentence. Next part is 오늘, which means today, and 화나요 came from our word for today, which is HWANADA. In fact, 화나요 is the present action or status of being angry. So when you say 그녀는 오늘 화나요, it means she is angry today. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago at the beginning of this video, we already know by now that the meaning of 그녀는 오늘 화나요 is she is angry or furious today. And with that, you've just learned HWANADA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 373 to 382. But don't forget our word for today, word number 383, it's HWANADA, which means to be angry or furious. The first word for our review is 이야기, which means story. Next word is 어렵다, which means to be hard or difficult. Next is 이대로, and it is used to say that something is done like this or as usual. Next is 의자, which means chair. Next is 매일, which means every day. Next is 연필, which means pencil. Next word is 지루해, which means I'm bored of it. Next is 심심하다, which means to be bored with nothing to do. Next is 지루하다, which means to be boring or tedious. And the last word for our review is 근데 왜, which means but why. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.